Assalamu alaikum guys, I am ARK. In the previous video we have created some news website using text and images using the things we have learned, and in this video we'll be seeing semantic elements, that is the enhanced way of writing HTML. So semantic elements is an element which clearly describes its meaning to both browser and the developer. That means in while we created the website in the previous video, we have just used div and span. We didn't use anything much, we didn't use anything fancy. But semantic elements clearly describe the content it has. So these are the non-semantic elements like div and span, which we have used in the previous website which we made. And semantic elements are main, section, article. We will see in this video. Let's head towards the IDE and see it clearly. So this was the news website which we made in the previous video. We'll just clear this and let's design it again using our semantic tags. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's give it a title again, news website. And now previously we have just started with div, but now we will start we will properly design, we will properly arrange the layout. So the first one we will write will be the header. In the header we will write the heading, of course, news website. I hope let's see if we can add. No, we can't add background image, I guess. We can do that by CSS. We'll see it whenever we go to CSS. And let's add an image, source img slash the first image, and icon. Here we write width. I assume that everyone is familiar with the syntax of HTML because we have already discussed it, so I'm not focusing on that. Width will be 40px. Okay, let's open Google Live. So we have it here. Let's get it in center. Center tag. So we have our header, and now the main content and the footer. And after header we can also add nav if you want navigation of a website. Like in this we can have anchor tags. Let's create an example navigation like google.com, and another anchor tag as facebook.com. So here we will write Google and Facebook. As you can see, we got the links here. We will just add a space and NBS. Oh, we also need to have HTTPS here and here too. Then only it will be a valid link if we are linking a web page to our anchor tag. Let's see if it works. So we are redirected to Google. That's cool. So here is our nav bar, but I don't want it, so I'll comment it out. We can comment out in HTML by using angle brackets and exclamation mark. So angle bracket, exclamation mark and two hyphens will create a comment, and we need to close the comment by using two hyphens and an angle bracket. Hope you can see that it's dark, whatever. So I want to remove that. It is removed. Now we will write something in our main content. So in main content we will create a section. So section tag, as the name suggests, is used to divide the different sections of our website. So we will have a section of headlines, and we will have headlines h3 lorem 10, and let's just duplicate it, 5 headlines. Check. So we have it here, and is it recording? Hope so. And we will create another section, and here we will write another h2 element in which we will write feed, and in feed we will create different articles. Article is used to represent a single post, as the name suggests, an independent piece of content. Section is used to represent a section in a website, and article is used to represent an independent piece of content, that is an article basically. So we will give a heading to article rm4, and we will add a paragraph rm100, and we will also add an image. In semantic tags we also have a figure tag. We'll use the figure tag, and we can add an image in figure tag, like img slash what image should we use? We'll use this image just for understanding. ARK will be the alternate, and width will be 80 pixels. I hope that should be enough. Okay, that is enough, but we need to align the image to left. Align left. Let's see how it looks. So this looks cool. And in the same figure tag we can have caption for that image as fig caption, and we can write ARK image, any caption to it. Whatever, but I don't want to use the caption for now. We'll just remove it because it doesn't look good in an article. And let's add line breaks, and let's okay, we will add a line break before every article. So let's duplicate articles. Control Shift D. Whatever. We got articles. Looks really nice. But why is okay? I gave BR tag. I need to give an HR tag now. Let's multi-select. Assign is going on. I'll pause for a second. As the Azam was going on, I've added the HR tags to our website. So let's see. It looks like this now. And let's edit this page now, the article page. So we won't edit much in this. We'll just add figure tag and we'll keep this into figure tag. And we will also add a figure caption. Image, whatever. And let's link this somewhere in the first article. Mm, this article will have to be no. The fuck is going on? अरे क्या हुआ भाई? Oh. So anchor tag article .html. So we have linked the article here. Okay, we didn't give it. Read more. Let's go to article. So you can see the caption is like this, and our title is right here. Let's enclose this in a section in the main content. In the main content. So whatever. So those semantic elements don't have that much visual impact on our website, but those are really important because they clearly explain the content to browser and as well as the developer. And when we come back to edit our code, when we come back to debug our code, or when we give someone else, when we give our code to someone else and someone else has to work on our code, it will be really important if we use semantic tags, that he will be able to understand very easily where is, and will be able to navigate through your code very easily. So that is why we basically use semantic tags. And let's add footer to website. So copyright and copy reserved 2021. Did we not save it? We saved it. Why is it not coming? Okay, we got it, but we need to get into center. Center. We got that into center. And what else is left? Okay, so there are two more semantic tags I want to discuss here. Those are not related to this, not related to the layout, but we can use a site tag when we want to represent a content that is not related to the topic, that is off topic, that is just slightly related to the topic, but you want to mention it. You can mention it in a site tag. And let's type something in a site tag, whatever. And we also have a dialogue tag where you can represent the conversation between any two persons. Dialogue. Spelling क्या है dialogue की? Dialogue. Okay, I think HTML5 doesn't support dialogue, but so that is pretty much it. That is it for the video, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then don't forget to like the video and don't forget to share it with your friends. And stay tuned, be subscribed for the next video. See you in the next one.